Welcome back to the Golden Years Lifestyle Hub, where we make gardening and home projects fun and easy for all ages. As the air turns crisp and the leaves start to fall, it's the perfect time to refresh your porch for the cozy season ahead. If you're feeling like your porch could use a little pick-me-up or you're not sure where to start, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through a fall porch transformation that's simple, budget-friendly, and perfect for seniors who want to create a warm, inviting space without a lot of hassle. Whether it's your front porch, back patio, or a little nook by the garden, we'll be bringing in the vibrant colors of fall, mixing in some classic autumn charm, and even adding a few personal touches that'll make your space feel like a true autumn retreat. So grab a warm cup of tea, and let's dive into the world of cozy, fall porch decorating together. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can join our friendly, creative community. And if you're ready to get started, let's jump right in. Step 1. Outdoor fall clean. To begin, we want to create a clean slate for our fall porch refresh. A good cleaning is the foundation of any successful transformation. Start by grabbing your broom and making sure all the summer remnants, like fallen leaves, dust, and any debris, are swept away. A cluttered porch can make it feel less inviting, so taking a few minutes to clean up is well worth the effort. When it comes to sweeping, think of comfort first. A soft bristle broom is perfect for gently sweeping the surface without too much strain. The soft bristles help pick up dust and dirt, leaving the surface clear. And if bending down or kneeling is a bit of a struggle, don't worry. There are long-handled brooms designed to make cleaning easier without having to bend over. This small tool can be a game changer for reducing strain on your back and knees, making the cleaning process feel much easier. As you sweep, take a moment to check your porch railings, furniture, or corners of the space for cobwebs or any lingering leaves. Cobwebs can build up quickly and give the space a dusty, neglected look. A quick wipe down of the railings or a swipe with a cloth or duster will instantly brighten up your porch. You'll be amazed how much more welcoming the space feels once everything is clean. This step is simple but crucial in setting the tone for the transformation to come. By the end of this cleaning session, your porch will be ready to showcase all those fall decorations we'll be adding in the next steps. Step 2. Declutter and organize. Now that your porch is clean and ready, it's time to take a step back and assess what's currently cluttering the space. Look around and remove anything that doesn't fit the cozy fall vibe or simply doesn't belong on the porch anymore. Old gardening tools and used furniture or random items that have piled up over the summer can all contribute to a messy, chaotic feeling. Clearing away these unnecessary things will not only make the space feel larger, but will also give you a blank canvas to work with as we add those warm, fall touches. For the items you use regularly but don't want cluttering the porch, it's all about finding a simple storage solution. A cozy basket or a small storage chest works beautifully for hiding things like extra cushions, gardening gloves, or even a small watering can. This way, you can keep your porch neat and organized without sacrificing practicality. Choose storage options that fit the aesthetic of your fall decor. Woven baskets or rustic wooden chests are perfect for that charming, cozy look. Step 3. Choosing fall decor. Now that your porch is clean and organized, it's time to bring in the fall charm with some beautiful decor. Let's start with the front door, the perfect place to set the tone for the season. A fall wreath is always a classic choice. It's a warm, welcoming piece that immediately says fall when you walk up to the porch. You can choose a wreath made from autumn leaves, twigs, or even a simple bough. The beauty of a wreath is that it's versatile, and it gives the space an instant cozy, festive feel. Whether you go for something rustic or elegant, it's an easy way to bring a little piece of fall right to your front door. If you happen to have some old fall decorations lying around, don't worry about having to buy new ones. You can easily repurpose them. For example, take an older wreath, add a fresh bough, or even sprinkle a little glitter to give it new life. A touch of creativity and a few simple additions can make something old feel brand new. Plus, repurposing saves you time and money. Two things we can always use more of, especially when we're going for an easy, budget-friendly fall refresh. Step 4. Adding plants and greenery. Now that your porch is clean, organized, and decked out with a lovely wreath, it's time to add some natural elements to make it feel like true fall magic. Plants and greenery can really bring that harvest charm to life. So let's bring in some cozy vibes with mums, ornamental grasses, and maybe even a few small pumpkins scattered around. Mums are a fall favorite. They come in gorgeous colors like deep red, gold, and orange, and are the perfect way to celebrate the season. Ornamental grasses are another wonderful choice. They sway gently in the breeze and add texture to your porch decor. And of course, small pumpkins or gourds are the quintessential fall touch, adding that harvest feel right at your doorstep. When it comes to containers, keep it simple and practical. You can use traditional pots, or if you're feeling creative, try upcycling old items like baskets, mason jars, or even teacups to plant your fall greenery in. Upcycling is a fantastic way to save money while giving new life to old items. Plus, it adds a personal, rustic touch that's perfect for the fall season. If you're like me, you might have a few extra mason jars in the kitchen or a basket tucked away somewhere. These make wonderful, charming containers that give your porch a handmade, cozy feeling without breaking the bank. If bending down to tend to your plants is hard on your back, don't worry, there's an easy fix. Consider placing your pots on a bench, small table, or raised platform. This will bring the plants to a higher level, making them much easier to water, tend to, and admire. A raised spot also helps keep the plants safe from pests or damage from pets, and it adds some extra charm to your setup. Gardening doesn't have to be physically demanding. With a little creativity, you can make it more accessible while still enjoying all the beauty of nature. Step 5. Cozy touches and textiles. Now that your plants are in place and the porch is coming to life, it's time to add those soft, cozy touches that will make the space feel like an autumn retreat. Textiles are key to creating that inviting, warm atmosphere we all crave in the fall. Start by draping a soft, warm blanket over a chair or bench, something you can easily snuggle into on chilly evenings. Add a few fall-themed pillows to complete the look. These simple touches don't just add comfort, but they also bring in those rich, seasonal colors and textures that truly capture the essence of fall. Whether you're adding a blanket to a rocking chair or a few pillows to a bench, these details can really pull the space together and make it feel like home. When choosing pillows, think about those classic fall motifs like pumpkins, leaves, or plaid patterns. A cute pumpkin patterned pillow adds a charming touch to the overall decor, while a leaf print can make it feel even more connected to the season. For a blanket, choose something that not only feels soft and cozy, but also ties into the fall theme. A warm, knitted blanket or a plaid throw is perfect for those cooler evenings when you want to sit outside and enjoy the crisp air. These textiles not only add comfort, but also bring those deep oranges, reds, and browns that make the fall season so visually warm. Step 6. Lighting and ambience. As the day turns to evening, the right lighting can completely transform the mood of your porch. Let's bring in some soft lighting to create that magical, cozy glow that makes fall evenings so special. String lights or fairy lights are perfect for this. Small, twinkling lights can add just the right amount of sparkle to your porch. You can drape them along the railing, hang them over a potted plant, or even weave them around a trellis or porch columns. These lights don't need to be elaborate. Sometimes, a little sparkle is all it takes to create a warm, inviting space as the evening settles in. The soft glow of lights will make your porch feel like a peaceful retreat, ideal for sipping warm cider or chatting with friends. Remember, it's the little touches that make the biggest difference. You don't need to go overboard with fancy lighting. Simple string lights or fairy lights can work wonders. Just a few strands can completely change the feel of the space. Drape them gently over the railing, around a potted plant, or even along the edges of your steps for a magical glow. The best part? They're easy to install and instantly make your porch feel more cozy and inviting. Let the lights twinkle softly and create an atmosphere that feels like a true fall haven. If you happen to have candles around, don't forget to use them. Candles add a touch of warmth and charm that lights up the space in such a lovely way. Step 7. Personal touches and crafty ideas. Now that we've added all the essentials to your fall porch, it's time to bring in those personal touches that truly make the space your own. Personalizing your porch with handcrafted items adds that special feeling of warmth and care. If you love crafting, this is where you can really let your creativity shine. Consider making your own fall garland by stringing twine and leaves together, or creating a homemade welcome sign that reflects the cozy, welcoming vibe you want your guests to feel. Adding something you've made yourself gives your porch a unique, heartfelt touch that store-bought items can't quite capture. Whether it's a hand-painted sign or a simple DIY wreath, these personal details will make your space feel all the more inviting. Here's a crafty bonus tip. If you have old mason jars lying around, they're perfect for repurposing into charming lanterns or small vases. You can fill them with seasonal flowers, twigs, or even fairy lights to create a lovely, rustic look. Mason jars are incredibly versatile. Paint them, wrap them in twine, or add a cute bow to match your theme. Not only is this a budget-friendly way to incorporate a personal touch, but it's also a great way to give new life to items you already have at home. Repurposing old jars is an eco-friendly way to bring extra character to your porch without spending extra money. Step 8. Final decor touches. Now that your porch is beautifully transformed, it's time for the final touches that truly complete the fall look. Think of adding a few pumpkins, acorns, or decorative corn stalks to give your porch that signature fall flair. These elements are what will really tie the whole look together. Position them along the steps, near your plants, or scatter them around the door to create a welcoming vibe. You can go for traditional orange pumpkins or mix it up with some white or green ones to add a bit of variety. Corn stalks are a great way to add height and texture to your display, and acorns add a lovely, rustic touch. These simple decorative items make your porch feel festive and ready for the season. If you have a bench, this is the perfect opportunity to add a cute fall-themed throw pillow. A soft, cozy pillow not only makes the space even more inviting, but also adds a pop of color and texture. Look for something with a fun fall print like leaves, pumpkins, or plaid to keep with the theme. Placing on a bench or outdoor chair will give it that lived-in, welcoming feel, perfect for inviting guests to sit and enjoy the season with you. These final touches will make the porch feel warm, cozy, and ready for the fall months ahead. Step 9. Keeping it comfortable and functional. While we've been focusing on making your porch look beautiful, don't forget that comfort is just as important. Your porch should be a place where you can relax, unwind, and enjoy the season. Start by ensuring you've got a comfortable chair or two where you can sit and enjoy the crisp fall air. A cushioned chair or a sturdy rocker is perfect for those afternoons when you want to kick back with a book or a cup of tea. Having a cozy spot to rest is key to making your porch a true retreat, where you can enjoy both the aesthetics and the relaxation that fall brings. If you happen to have a rocking chair, you're in luck. There's something so special about rocking on a cool autumn evening, as the soft rhythm calms your mind and body. If you don't already have one, maybe it's time to consider adding one to your space. A rocking chair adds a timeless, classic touch to any porch, and it's the perfect place to enjoy the tranquility of the season, listen to the wind, or just rock away as you watch the world go by. If you love this cozy fall porch refresh, don't forget to give this video a like, and be sure to subscribe to the Golden Years Lifestyle Hub for more fun and easy DIY projects. I'd also love for you to share this video with a friend who might enjoy these fall ideas, too. Because who doesn't love a cozy porch? Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you enjoyed this cozy project as much as I did, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Wishing you all a warm and beautiful fall season ahead. Take care, everyone.